Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Today we're going to be looking at a clear case with bumpers for my OnePlus 7 Pro. The company that this case is coming from, that I bought through Amazon, right there. I'm not even going to attempt to try to pronounce that name. So there it is. Take a good look at that name. That's the name of the company. Let's go ahead and take out the case really quick here, and we'll put it right here. We'll put that little box to the side. And you can see the bumpers. Now, OnePlus was kind enough to include a case in the box. And it's a minimal clear case, but not as minimal as I've seen. There are some that come with smartphones that are very, very minimal, and still it's something. I appreciate that from the companies that include a case. This one here from OnePlus is a little bit thicker than usual, but it's not going to be like this one, because what I'm wanting is bumpers. I just don't want some protection. I want good protection. If I want extreme protection, well then I'm gonna buy myself a rugged case. But in this video we're gonna be looking at this clear case so we can still see the sexiness of the Nebula Blue, and it is definitely one gorgeous smartphone. But it's those bumpers that I'm wanting. Now, I don't typically drop my smartphones, but just in case, I want a little more protection. Now, over at Amazon, the information, there's that name again. I'm not going to say it. Case for the OnePlus 7 Pro, ultra slim, thin, scratch resistant TPU rubber soft skin silicone protective case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. $7.88 is what I paid for this case with the bumpers. Okay, there's other cases, but you got to make sure you get one with bumpers. I do have another case coming in, and I got a couple companies that will be sending me out some cases as well. What I didn't get in the box is one of these. Now, this is my OnePlus 6T dongle, but it will work with the OnePlus 7 Pro. You would think for 700 smacks that you would get one of these in the box, but we didn't. Okay, I think that if you're not going to have a headphone jack and you're going to buy a smartphone that utilizes one of these little guys, a dongle, then the companies that are putting out these smartphones without a headphone jack should be including one of these in the box. Now, if you lose it, then, you know, or I lose it, yeah, it's my fault, it's your fault, then you have to purchase one. Now, I do have an alternative here, but I don't want you just to run out and buy this unless you want to. But I found through some homework that these dongles right here are supposed to work for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, it says OnePlus 6T right there. So if they're going to work for the 6T, this is a 6T dongle, it should work for the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to buy them and I'll let you know. So let me spend my money. I'll be the sacrificial lamb here with these little dongos here. And yeah, it's $7.99. The other color I think is black. Because this is a screenshot. So I will purchase these. I will test them out and I'll let you know. Yeah, it's too bad. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'd rather had done without the case and gotten one of these. You let me know your thoughts on that. So we are going to remove this case and put on this case with the bumpers. Not upside down. We want to do this the right way. Okay. Power button cut out there for the alert slider. Yep, everything working great there. Down below, cutout for the speaker, cutout for the mic, cutout for the USB Type-C charging port area, and we have another cutout here, and well, I don't know what that's for because the SIM tray is over here and the little hole is right there where the SIM tray is. So I have no idea what that is for. It would have been nice to have a headphone jack there. Anyway, up top, your pop-up camera, selfie cam, and a cutout right here for the other mic. Volume rocker. Everything working great there. Everything working great here. Okay. And power button. Now check out how crazy fast the in-display fingerprint reader is. It is silly fast. It is crazy fast. Pick it up, bam, amazing. Cutout on the back for the cameras and the flash. There's your OnePlus logo right there, or not, well, I don't know, logo or branding, whatever, branding, logo, it's all the same, I think. Yeah, and look at those bumpers. Take that impact. Take that impact. That's what we want, okay? Some protection, better protection. A lot more protection with the bumpers. If you want something that's going to give you extreme protection, then buy yourself a rugged case. There's a lot of companies out there selling rugged cases. Just do your homework. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a couple pictures of my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we want to make sure that there's not going to be any issues with that cutout back there. And so we're going to go to the regular telephoto lens, and then your regular wide, and then your super wide, ultra wide, really wide. Okay, and why isn't that rotating? Okay, well, I don't know if I have that. Let's see, did I have rotation turned off? Yes, I do. No wonder. All right, let's go back to that picture. Hey, there we go. So everything looking good there, everything looking good there, and everything looking good there. So no issues with the cutout. There's a little bit of lip with this cutout here. It's actually raised a little bit, so that's really nice to protect all three cameras back there, especially when setting down on most surfaces. And when I say most surfaces, I'm talking about like flat surfaces. Okay, so you're gonna get some protection there. That's really nice. And then we want to make sure that my third-party USB Type-C cable here fits right in there. We want to make sure that that cutout has enough space to take another type of cable from a different company than just the one that's provided in the box. Okay, and there we go. Okay, and so there you go. Yes, it's a minimal case. I think it's a little bit thicker than this one, but it's the bumpers that I wanted. It's the bumpers that I would say to you that if you're shopping for a case that's minimal, but you're wanting a little more protection than something like this case that comes in the box with your OnePlus 7 Pro, then look for cases that have bumpers. I would really suggest that. I really would. And we have a curved display, so you have a little bit of lip right down in here and right in there, and you can see the curved display right there. Look at that. I had a viewer asking about the screen protector. The screen protector is really nice. I want to go and zoom into the screen protector here so you can see that there's just a little bit of gap. You can see that little bit of gap right there. OnePlus did a really nice job installing the screen protector. Probably a robot that did this. Anyway, I'm going to put this case back on. I am expecting another case, so be looking forward to that. And I got some videos coming that I've been working on for my OnePlus 7 Pro. Both devices right here, the S10 Plus and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Check that out. We got a bigger display, no notch. Still love my S10 Plus. Still loving this, but man, I am really falling in love with the OP7 Pro. Man, little jealousy going on over here. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate your time. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out.